this is Russell and this is his F80 M3. He's getting new tires anyway. You're watching WHLWRKS. All right, Russell, so give us the rundown on your M3. How long have you owned it?
So this is my F80 M3. I've had it for about 2 years now. I flew to Texas and drove it back. It's an Austin Yellow 2016.
Dope. Have you done anything to the car?
Only cosmetic stuff right now. It's full carbon trim all around, lower the car, and custom steering wheel inside.
But you came here for the most important mod, of course. We need the new wheels. So that's right, guys. Russell is going to be going down to Stance Wheels with us just down the street here in Santa Fe Springs, and we're going to hand deliver him his new set of the all-new Stance SF10 in matte black.
2 seconds later.
We're going to Stance Wheels to pick up Russell's wheels for his M3, and they're literally right around the corner from us.
Yeah, we've been in the car for what, like 30 seconds?
Yeah, we'll be there right now.
All right, here we are, just down the street, Stance Wheels headquarters, Santa Fe Springs. We're gonna go pick up Russ's wheels right now, bro.
Joe! What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
Good.
How are you?
Oh, the guys are caught me caught him off guard. Quick question, now that you're here, how long has Stance been in business? Like total, like Koya, like total?
20 years, over 20 years.
So over 2 decades. And how long have we been doing business with you guys?
Oh my God.
I think
part of 15 years.
Yeah, I think almost from the beginning.
Yeah.
Russell, let's go show them some of the stuff we have over there.
So which center cap should I pick, guys? Should I do the one with the orange?
I like the one with the orange.
I like the orange, bro.
I think the orange looks sick. It's something different.
Yeah.
And it pops a little more.
And just to show you some of the other designs that Stance produces this is their VS forged line. This is a 6061 monoblock wheel, so this is a fully forged wheel. There's nothing wrong with their other stuff, which is like a rotary forged, which is still very light, very strong, and it's more affordable when it comes to the pricing. But this is just a completely different wheel. This is straight from a big block of aluminum, and they actually cut it out. I love the cutouts they have right here, all these fine details right here. I love it.
Every ounce matters.
Love it. This stuff's on our website, so if you're interested in this, check the website out.
All right, bro, dude, this warehouse is sick. They got it all, and he said your wheels were around here on the left.
There's SF3, SF10,
okay. 20 by 11,
phase
full
3.
black. Perfect, dude. All right, Russell, you want to grab it? I'll look this up.
Sweet.
All
Damn, like a kid in a candy store.
We out of here, man. New wheels.
All right, let's go.
See, Gio, your truck came in handy for once, right?
Finally, bro.
This guy's always clowning on trucks. If you gotta move your stuff around, he was gonna call. He's gonna call you, bro.
Well, that's exactly what I did, actually. When I moved out,
This guy's talking smack
this
about
man
trucks.
right here was the only person that came through with the truck.
Oh, trucks are dumb.
All right, let's get the other 3 then.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
A really good question for you guys. Since I know all of us have owned a BMW, I used to own one.
I haven't
Used to
owned a
own-
BMW, and I don't think I ever will.
The question's not to you. All-time BMW, no budget. Mine is E30 M3.
Go.
Dropped, white with the BMW stripes,
White.
with the M stripes, and I want gold BBS wheels.
Did you just not say in that reel we just made that you're never gonna own another BMW in your life?
BMW or Mercedes? Which one do you like? I like neither. It's different though. We're talking about.
E30 is not just any BMW.
Yeah, it's come on.
Gio, what about you?
Bro, okay, well, I love my E46 at home, but if I could get the M3, it would be a very tough choice between
E46?
E46 M3 or a G80.
Bro, okay.
That's controversial, bro,
Okay.
because the E46 drives so well, and it's got the best body design, in my opinion.
E46 M3 is probably my number 2 pick.
But it's
You guys are
tough,
sleeping
bro.
on the E36 M3 though. It's the best of both worlds.
E36.
Imagine that, the M3 wing, the high profile wing, come on. That looks sick.
That is true.
That was your choice?
That was my E36.
Like
Bro,
the old version.
I would choose the G90 M5. That's what I would choose.
I like the E30 a lot. I also chose it.
They're great cars, bro. Don't get me wrong. But they're untouchable. You have 100K?
That's why I said no budget.
Untouchable.
Damn, that's insane, bro. This matte black hits different in person, bro.
Dude, it's gonna kill. On the yellow, man.
Where the rims at?
The rims are right over here. Yeah, we got 20 by 10, 20 by 11. So these are the rears. Those are some fat tires.
Yep.
jacked up. We are ready to go. Taking off all the wheels. Jose, what do you think of the SF10, man?
I like them because they're light.
They're super light.
They're super light. They look good, you know?
This satin black is actually brand new. They just released this color. I really like it.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna go really good with the yellow. So we are putting the old valve stem back on, and just look at the concave of that wheel. My gosh. We got the big tire. That is gonna be for the rear. What is this, a 305?
Yeah, 305/30.
305/30, jeez. That's how it's done. Tire is on, we just gotta inflate it and balance it. Now we're just waiting for the bead to pop. There we are. Alright, so that just pretty much shows us exactly where we need the weights and how much weight we need. And now, there we are. Perfect. Good to go. Jose is taking out the old spacer that we had on there. Yeah. There we are. Won't be needing that anymore because the offset with the aftermarket stance wheels will make the fitment perfect, flush with the fender. Tire shined, give it that final touch. That satin black, I cannot get over it. One thing I love about the Stance SF10's design is that the mesh design really gives you a much better view into the brakes. So now you can really see that big M piston as well as the drilled rotor right there. All right, wheel number 2, let's do the same process. It's a rinse and repeat kind of thing from here, guys. All we got to do, grab the wheel, get the new tire, and put the old TPMS sensor on there so the computer doesn't have any issues and we don't get any weird tire lights. So since we're using the original sensor, we don't have to reprogram anything, do we?
Nope.
Nothing, that's it, plug and play. Rick is the light guy.
What's up, guys?
Let there be lights.
Sometimes you just gotta freestyle. Like, you can get all the expensive rigs and stuff, but sometimes just holding a light like this, like it's a rifle almost, you know?
And now we're getting pristine views of the Stance SF10. You get the tire lube on there. And you can tell, since it has less concave, this is definitely going to be a front wheel. You can tell.
Yeah, so guys, so this right here, this is gonna be a 20x10, 20x11 in the back. It is gonna be a staggered fitment. You want that aggressive stance, especially when you're driving an M3.
Jeez, dude. Oh my gosh. I love the difference in concave. The front still got the concave, but it's a lot more of a flat profile on the face. But then you get to that back, and you're like, jeez. What do you think, bro?
More God, dude. That's hella aggressive.
Dude, that fitment is literally dime.
What am I witnessing right now? This is actually insane. Whoa, the fitment is crazy. Like the front and back is, wow.
I know, it looks beautiful. We're a little concerned with the, if it rubs. So do you want to real quick just pull it out and kind of turn the wheel and we'll feel it out a little bit?
He's gonna probably rub with me in the back, bro.
You think so, bro?
I think it will. Jose, what do you think?
Test drive it. That way I don't. If it rubs, then we have to go 295. But I think I think it'll clear.
Try it. Fuck, dude,
It's so clean, bro.
Fuck, this shit looks good.
Oh my gosh.
This shit's fucking money. It's so fucking close, dude.
Did it rub? Dude, it's so nice. Oh my god. Guys, that has got to be the cleanest F80 fitment on the planet. Is that him?
Yeah, that is.
Did you guys hear that? All right, bro, get it close up.
What side is he on?
This side, yeah, this side.
Yo, get in the car really quick.
Hey, bro, just a
Little bit.
little.
Like hardly nothing, bro. I mean,
Oh, I guess.
barely.
Barely.
Hey, let's go together and see if we're right. Come on.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, let's just take it.
Come on.
Damn! What do you think, Anthony?
No. Hey,
I think we're gonna have to go. I think we're gonna have to go 295.
Yeah.
That was clean, bro.
Oh yeah.
Looked good on video.
Oh yeah, that's sick. It's so much fun. I wanted to keep going, but I was like, let me chill out. But it's a fun car to drift. It's super easy. If you're in the market for an F80, please get one.
Like the fitment is so on point.
The Fitment's too good.
Yeah,
It's too good.
Fitment's insane.
Honestly, let's just leave it, bro.
yeah.
Honestly, yeah.
295, 305, right? You see that difference in the height?
Yeah.
Look at it.
I mean, fuck it. All right, I prefer, because I do have a lot of passengers, and I feel like it's going to be that low a majority of the time. Fuck it, let's just switch it then. That's my final answer. Let's switch it. You guys are seeing the real stuff, like we're deciding, we're seeing what works, how to test it. You guys are getting the full experience.
Exactly.
There you
All right, here we are. We got the 295s we switched to.
Yeah, you have more room.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Perfect, because even if I have someone, it's going to sit perfect.
Yeah,
Thank you, bro.
All right, lifting up this side now. Get the other two wheels on. Wheel number 3.
No hands.
Easy.
Like butter.
Finishing touch. All we got to do is put that last center cap on.
See?
There we are. Russell, we're good, bro.
Bro, it looks insane, man. I'm super happy. Can't wait to drive it and just experience the new wheels. It feels like a brand new car. So changing the wheels makes a big difference, guys.
Great selection of wheels, great car, great power, great license plate too. I mean, look at that wipe.
Look at that. All right, guys, I want to give a big shout out to AudioCityUSA and Stance for sending me these wheels and hooking it up. Make sure you guys subscribe to AudioCityUSA. They're always doing cool shit. Make sure to hit the link down below if you guys want to be next at the WHLWRKS program. Your build could get a new set of wheels.